Now I'm gonna cook on the Napoleon Rogue SE. It's a gas grill this time. We've got a really hot section over here, super fiery infrared section, and then you've got your pretty much standard sort of gas setup here, and then you've got a sort of colder area here with a little rotisserie. Really good grill. On it today, I'm gonna be cooking a beef kebab sandwich, and I'm gonna be making a 3 cheese fondue with it. So we're gonna start off, we're just gonna make a little quick pickle. So I've just got some sliced pepper here. I'm gonna add some onion, red onion sliced to a pan. I just want to sweat this down a bit so it's not super solid. White wine vinegar, 200 ml. Then I've got some brown sugar. And I'm just going to bring that up to the boil. While I'm doing that, I'm just going to prep my meat. I've got beef kebab here. So it's just minced beef, really aged minced beef, lots of fat in it. So you don't need anything to bind it. And then we're going to take some thick chunks of the sirloin and some of the fat from the outside. Just take off. And we're going to thread that onto the skewer. And then thread the fat in between. And I'm going to season that with a little bit of salt and pepper. Fine salt, so it doesn't burn too much on the grill. Black pepper. Quick pickle. Leave that to pickle a little bit more. And then we're gonna make our fondue. A little bit of white wine, a little bit of sherry. And I'm gonna whack this on the infrared because I wanna bring it to the boil. Got 3 types of cheese. We've got Ogle Shield, which is a slightly harder cheese. Super delicious. They're all UK cheeses. They're all from Neal's Yard Dairy. And we're just gonna grate this one in. You can even put little bits in it, break it up a little bit. And then we've got really soft Baron Bigode brie. Just gonna go straight in a big lump. And then Stitchelton, super nice blue cheese, unpasteurized. This is gonna give it that real punch flavor. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna coat this all in a little bit of corn flour. Again, no real amount, just toss it through. This is gonna help thicken the sauce and I'll bring everything together, stop it from splitting too much. Okay, so I'm gonna bring this off, heat. I'm gonna add our cheese and just keep stirring. It's gonna thicken up quite nicely and get really nice and creamy. And you're just gonna stir that till it starts to cook out. At the same time, we can start grilling our meat. What I've done here is I've taken one of the grill bars out so I can grill this and get that started. And sirloin's just gonna go straight in the super hot infrared. Babysit my fondue. Turning my steak. Don't want this to get too black. This is super, super hot. So just keep turning it. And we're just trying to get a nice, even color on it. Don't forget the sides. And then once you've got enough color, back on here. This is sealed up a bit. Let's get that on here too. Take a couple of slices of bread. Got sourdough here. Any sort of bread will do. And see with this cheese fondue, it's now nice and creamy and stretchy. It's exactly what we want. And that's my beef kebab sandwich with 3 cheese fondue.